Crew check 682, just be advised the spacing looks like it would work. It's not expect to be on the right. The Seminoles to your 12 o'clock now.
Affirmative, traffic in sight, crew check 682. And crew check 1023, we'll keep our speed up.
Crew check 1040, question 1023, thank you.
We're good. XC5 all the way back.
November 0 Echo Foxtrot traffic, 1 o'clock, 1 mile, northwest bound altitude in case 2700.
Looking for traffic, 0 Echo Foxtrot.
Okay, that's coming. Here we go. Incidents are good.
November 0 Echo Foxtrot, question Conic, SoCal, see you.
Over to SoCal, 0 Echo
Sounds good.
Have a good one.
Positive rate. Alright, looking good.
Breakfast Tower, crew check 1017, establish ILS 26 left.
Crew check 1017, Bracket Tower, runway 26 left, continue.
Continuing, crew check 1017.
Legs quiet today.
Crew check 1023, turn left Echo, Conic ground, appreciate it.
Left Echo, Conic ground, no problem, crew check 1023.